Here's a tour of the van. I'm not sponsored by Milwaukee. Everything you see in here I bought. Everything is supported to the ground with these Packout supports, so nothing slides around. Everything is supported on the top and on the walls by the same brackets. So up top here we have our Uponor fittings. Behind that we have 1-inch press fittings. Over on the left side we have all of our PEX and copper supports. We have our angle stops. We have a heat gun. We have our glue and our primer in this special bucket which seals. We have our jet rack, keeps our ladder up top so I can still slide a 50-gallon water heater in here if I need to. All of our PVC pipes, all of our black pipes, all of our copper pipes, unistrut, things of that nature is up top of the van. On the side of the van we have all our M18 drawers with, you know, small nipples, excursions, gas fittings, easily labeled, easily accessible. One of the most important parts of your truck, you guys should all keep some clean drop cloths. Over on this side we keep our impact driver, screw gun, shears, and below that we keep a nail gun, band saw. All of our wrenches is set up there. Our press gun. When we're soldering we keep a fire extinguisher. Down below, all of our lasers, all of our grinders, our Dremel. We also keep a small heater for the really cold days. Everything is easily accessible. It's easy to work out of the Chevy. That's pretty much it, guys.